In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a sales bill in the Younote application. Let's begin with the first method. Starting from the home page, navigate to the Sales module and select Sales Bill under the Sales Management section. This page displays all your existing sales bills. To create a new bill, click the Create Sales Bill plus icon at the top right. Begin by filling in the buyer details. Simply select the buyer's name from the drop-down menu, and the application will autofill their contact information from the saved data. Next, scroll down to the Sales Bill line section to add your products. Here, you have two convenient options for product selection: Tile View and Line View. In Tile View, click the Add Product plus icon. Select the desired product. Adjust the quantity using the plus icon, or directly input the amount, and make any necessary edits to the price or discount fields. Once done, click Add to include the product. In Line View, use the Add Line plus icon to open the product selection menu. Choose the product from the drop-down, modify the description if needed, enter the quantity, and adjust the unit price or discount as required. You can continue adding products or save your selections. Once all products are added, save the bill using the Save button. You can also download and share pro forma invoice to your buyer before confirming it. Click the eye icon to the left and download your invoice in preferred format. Your invoice will now appear in the sales bill list. Review the details, and if everything is accurate, then click Confirm to finalize it. Now let's explore another method. From the Sales module, go to the All Customers page and select the customer you're selling to. In the Quick Links section on the right, click Create Sales Bill. This method automatically fills in the customer details, streamlining the process. From here, you can add product details and complete the bill creation just like in the first method. With these methods, managing your sales bill in Younote is flexible and straightforward. Thank you for watching and happy using Younote.